This is Milani, Chapter 16, Section 1, Problem number 6. By looking at this problem, I'm going to go by the integration by part to find the area. Now, integration by part over here, I'm going to use it as a two-part. Natural log of a 5x, that's going to be my derivative part. The second part is left is the dx. Dx is going to be my second part. Now, I'm going to use my natural log of x as a u part, and dx, I'm going to use it as my dv part. From the u part, I'm going to find the derivative. Derivative of it, you can say du over dx is going to be equal 1 over x, or you can say du is going to be equal 1 over x dx. However it's easier for you, will be fine. Then here, antiderivative of a dv is the v, antiderivative of a dx is going to be the x. Now, let's go with our formula. The u is going to be natural log of a 5x, v is going to be x. I do not like to write it down natural log of a 5x and x. I don't like to write it down because we might get confused. In this one, I'm going to write it down v, which is x times u, which is natural log of a 5x. Then, antiderivative of a v, my v is going to be x, du is going to be 1 over x dx. Now, let's clean up before we get the antiderivative right here. This x by this x is gone. I like to write that down what is left, and then I would get the antiderivative. Now, antiderivative of a dx. Few minutes ago we talked about it. dv is become dx, antiderivative of a dx is going to be x. Then we are trying to find the area between 1 to 2. This is my antiderivative. Next step, replace your x by the higher x value. The higher x value is the 2. 2 it goes here, and 2 it goes here. Now, these two numbers, you can multiply it by each other. You plug it on the calculator, then 2 natural log of a 10 minus 2 is going to be 2.605. Replace the x by your lower number, which is 1. When I replace the x by 1 here, then it's not necessary for you to write it down, the 1. That's the reason I didn't write it down. Natural log of a 5 times this x is going to be 1 minus x. The x is become 1. Then you plug it on the calculator, natural log of a 5. Then minus 1 is going to be 0.609. Now from here, the next step, the higher x value minus the lower x value. Subtract these two from each other, which that is going to be my answer. That is going to be the area. This one, because it's going to be so close, you can indicate it as a 2. Because my third number is going to be almost 9, then it is okay if you are going to indicate it as a 2.